So this is the k40 style, commonly referred to as eBay 40-watt Chinese laser engraver and cutter. Just did the unboxing. It was very well packed, lots of foam and double cardboard box. I expected cheap Chinese crappy workmanship. My expectations have been met. The carriage, the mirror sits on and goes from side to side, so the X carriage, that's the slop that's in there, because the guides don't actually run close to the sides, so it's as crappy as you expect. The perspex in the cover, which had paper protecting it, you can see that they haven't even managed to, for a company that sells laser cutters, they haven't managed to cut a piece of perspex straight and put the holes in straight. So that's offset in there. The USB connector on the side, it fits now. It's recessed right into the case, but when it arrived, I'll just remove some of these. You couldn't actually plug the connector in because the way it had been screwed together is that the mounting bracket was secured by those bolts and by this bolt up this end, which meant that the socket was actually over here somewhere, so you couldn't physically plug it in, and this was all bent up sideways. So as a rough and ready, I've just put a washer on that one and put it next to it instead to secure it. I'll have to re-drill those holes. The wiring's reasonably neat. It actually looks like the earth is connected down in the back there. And the panel, reasonably neat. Actually got shrouds on the active and neutral. Lots of foam bits and pieces in it. So, what else? Power connectors on the back. Everything came with American plugs and some really dodgy Australian adapters, so I'll fix that. These are the power sockets out the back for the water pump and what have you, and they're elasticed in. So it's just, as I said, they will meet your expectation. If you're expecting Chinese crap quality manufacturing, that's exactly what you'll get. But according to everything on the internet, they supposedly work. So we'll see what happens once I do a bit more after.